Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review a fitness tracker or a smartwatch. How about both? Yes, we are going to unbox and review i5 Plus smartwatch. So let's get started. So if you are planning to buy one, I will leave the best buy link in the description. So do buy from that link. So this is how the parcel looks as I got it from China. So we had to receive more smartwatches and more fitness bands in well affordable price. It can calculate steps, calories, and it can remind you. It can push SMS content, call ID, separate sleep mode, gesture control, USB charging, and it has a OLED display. Inside the box you will find just the smart band and a user manual. Just a simple package and that's all we need. The user manual does comes in English. Do read it out. So this is how you turn it on. So by pressing it for 2 seconds, it will turn on. So once it turned on, you can able to touch the screen because basically it has a touchscreen display that's really cool at this price tag. So you can be able to change between date, time, distance you have traveled, calories you have burned. Basically the display shows you the time and synchronization detail. So this is how the band looks. The band looks very good and the quality of rubber used is really great. So this is how you remove the fitness tracker from the band and you can able to use it in your charger. So this is how it looks. It looks quite sleek and the design itself looks really good. Even the quality of plastic used is excellent. You can able to charge it with your USB portable power banks, or you can directly connect it to your PC, laptop, or you can also use it with your wall duck adapter. By the same way you can refix it and it's really easy. I've been using this for more than 10 days and it works really great. So this was the app I was talking about, the Zeroner app. Just install this. As soon as you install this, it will ask you a permission for switching on the Bluetooth. So switch on the Bluetooth. Once you are done with it, just use the smartwatch and tap on the screen and it will try to pair. Try hitting the search button if you are not finding the Bluetooth device. So once it is connected, you are ready to go. You can see the device settings in this app where you can able to change the target setting, the sedentary reminder, alarm settings. You can change between 24 hours to 12 hours timing and by default it is switched on to English unit. You can also turn the auto sleep mode on and palming gestures is not working perfectly, so currently turned it off. So once it is connected, the fitness tracker will automatically sync to the app. You can also check between the number of steps, total calories and total distance traveled with this fitness band. Whenever you want to track your sleep, you have to turn the sleep mode on. So even though if you have turned the sleep mode on, I find that sometimes it doesn't work fine. So that's why I didn't trust this device for sleeping mode. So you can take the snaps from your fitness band itself with your camera and it works really great. So speaking of the settings, you can also able to find your phone. By pressing this button, it will try to hit the alarm in your smartphone. So going into the message setting, you can able to set between the call ID notification, just turn it on. It also helps you to receive messages as well as WhatsApp, Twitter, Skype. As of now, it supports only these few apps. It works really great in all these apps, as well as you can able to turn some SMS applications for your personal uses. So this is the one best feature I am using this because of this OLED display. It shows all the notification that we receive to our mobile in the OLED display. This is how you can check the battery status of your wristband. Exact percentage will be shown in the Zeroner app. So as you can see, I got a call in my smartphone and the same is been shown in the wristband also. You also got a vibrator in it and the wristband vibrates. So as soon as I received an SMS, it shows the SMS also. It shows you the app name and sender name, and if there is a possibility, it will also tries to show the part of a message. Even if you get a missed call from WhatsApp, it does tends to show you those things also. So there is a general discussion that is going on in XT8 developers. I will leave the link in the description. Do check that out. So you can able to upgrade and downgrade the Zeroner app as well as the firmware in your smartwatch. If you don't know what you're doing, so stay away from this. So if you are interested in trying something new, you can check that out, but it is not recommended if you don't know what you're doing, so be very careful. So let's talk about the pros and cons. I really like the design and build quality of this hi-fi smartwatch. I really like the OLED display. Even we are trying to get the Facebook and Twitter messages onto your wrist, so that's really good, because no other smartwatches at this price bracket doesn't offer you these many offers. And even the battery life of this hi-fi smartwatch is really great. So it does have a OLED display. With that, it was also able to provide you 7 days of battery backup if you're not overusing it with your Zeonur app on Bluetooth. The smart band is IP67 certified and it's water resistant, which is really good. The biggest con of this smartwatch was the connectivity and Zeonur app. So even though the smartwatch does excellently well, but the backup app or the app which is designed for this smartwatch doesn't seems to be performing really good. Or the menus and the navigations in this you try to find the same option again, you won't find the same option. If the i5 Plus team will give us a perfect firmware for this smartwatch, this would be the one of the best smartwatch you can buy at this price tag at the current scenario. So currently this product is available for around $18 to $20, which is very less when I compare to some other products in the market. So if you want to do pick one app, I will leave the link in the description for the best price possible. So do check that out. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts in shopping online, do hit me out in the comment section below, or do like us on Facebook at Owsit, and you can chat with me in Facebook also. So if you do like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. This is Thames signing off. Hope to see you in my next video.